Is it safe to use a voice changer on Discord?
In this video, we will be discussing the safety of using voice changers on Discord. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the potential risks and benefits associated with voice changers.
What is a voice changer?
A voice changer is a software or application that allows users to modify their voice in real time, making it sound different from their original voice. This can be used for a variety of purposes, such as anonymity, role-playing, or simply for fun.
Are voice changers allowed on Discord?
Yes, voice changers are allowed on Discord as long as they are used in compliance with Discord's terms of service and community guidelines. It is essential to use voice changers responsibly and avoid using them to harass, deceive, or violate the privacy of others.
What are the risks of using a voice changer on Discord?
There are a few risks associated with using voice changers on Discord. 1. Privacy concerns. If the voice changer requires access to your microphone, it might have access to your conversations and potentially record or share your data without your consent. 2. Malware. Downloading a voice changer from an untrusted source can lead to malware infections on your device. 3. Performance issues. Some voice changers can consume a significant amount of system resources, resulting in decreased performance.
How can you safely use a voice changer on Discord?
To safely use a voice changer on Discord, follow these guidelines. 1. Choose a reputable voice changer. Do thorough research and select a voice changer from a trusted developer. 2. Review the permissions. Check the permissions the voice changer requires and ensure they align with your privacy expectations. 3. Keep your antivirus software up to date. This will help protect your device from potential malware infections. In conclusion, using a voice changer on Discord can be safe if done responsibly and with caution. Always choose a reputable voice changer, review the permissions it requires, and keep your antivirus software up to date to mitigate potential risks. And most importantly, use voice changers in a respectful and responsible manner, adhering to Discord's terms of service and community guidelines.